Hey guys, today we're going to be making masks. For this project, we're going to need some old clothes, preferably not too thick, and these templates, which you can print out and find in my description of the video, a hot glue gun, and possibly spare sticks, a black marker, and a scissor. Finally, you'll need something to make the straps out of. I used an old headband. To start this off, please note that there are two templates, the large size and the kid size. Step 1 is to cut out these templates. To make sure that the templates fit you, there's a length on the templates that's called nose to chin. If you measure that length, just make sure it's about the size of your nose to chin. Important that we wear masks right now so that we can stop the spread of the coronavirus, and so eventually we can all see our friends again and hang out and go to stores. The next step is to carefully lay these templates out on the piece of cloth that you'll be using, and make sure that you cut out a region that's big enough to hold the pieces. Once you have your cloth cut out in nice pieces, turn the cloth over and we're going to start tracing our templates onto the cloth with the black marker. Once we finish the outline, we're going to fold along the dotted lines in order to copy these dotted lines onto our piece of cloth like this, so we know where we should fold. Once we finish with this part, we're going to look at the labels on the template which say nose, nose to chin, and chin. Where it says nose, we're going to put an N on our piece of cloth, just so we know what part is the nose, and where it says chin, we're going to put a C. Once we finish tracing, we're going to cut out these pieces of cloth. Now that we have them cut out, we're going to arrange them like this, with the nose next to the nose and the chin next to the chin. The top two are going to be the front of our mask, and the bottom two pieces are going to be the inside of our mask, where there's going to be a flap like this, so that we can put in a filter that looks like this. The filter will protect us from breathing germs. These flaps, they are where we're going to put the hot glue and stick the pieces together. First thing we're going to hot glue is this piece. We're going to fold it over and hot glue it like that by putting a long strip of hot glue right next to the flap. This is going to be the opening of our filter pocket. Next, we're going to take this piece and put hot glue in two locations. One of the places is going to be in this corner up here and down here. By putting two little dots of hot glue, we're going to stick it together in the two corners so that we have a pocket. Now that it's dried, we're going to flip it over. The next part we're going to hot glue is this flap here to this flap here. Make sure you flipped it over. We're going to do the same thing to the bottom two flaps. Now we're going to fold it over and carefully press down on these two locations. Remember, hot glue is hot and you want to be really careful not to touch it. we're going to take this piece and make sure the nose is aligned with the nose. We're going to flip the original piece inside out, like this. And we're going to put hot glue along here and along down here. And we're going to glue it on like this. Carefully put a line of hot top flap and then at the bottom flap, and then gently take the big piece and put it on top. Now we're going to flip this over and take our other piece. We're going to do the exact same thing, putting 2 strips of glue on the top flap and the bottom flap, and carefully put this piece on top. Dried, we are almost done with our mask. We're going to glue these 3 flaps here down like this. Be very careful with this part because it's pretty easy to burn yourself. You might want to have an adult nearby when using the hot glue gun, or just have an adult help you. Now that we've finished the basic shape of our mask, it's time to flip it inside out. We're going to take the inside and push it out through the pocket, like this, and pushing out this side too, until eventually we have our mask. Pieces like this to carefully glue onto our mask. On the inside, you can see there are still 2 flaps that we haven't glued down, and we're going to carefully lay the strap on like this and then fold over the flap and glue it like this. Once you've done this to both sides, we're done with our mask, and it's time to have some fun and decorate. I looked at the pieces of cloth that I hadn't used and cut a few pieces and decided to cut out some stars to glue on. I carefully hot glued a few stars and a diamond shape in the middle. Eventually I had this mask done. You can stick a filter into the filter pocket, and now you can go around and wear your mask. I also made a large mask. This time I sewed it, and it turned out pretty nice. I recommend sewing it if you have experience with sewing. Also, I tied a knot in the headband straps to make them a little shorter. Thanks for watching, and remember to always wear a mask when you're among other people. Good luck!